welcome back, YouTubers. So I'm going to open up 4 of the Lady and the Tramp puzzle pieces. They're a limited edition mystery collection, and I really like Lady and the Tramp pins, so I'd be happy with any of these that I would get. So I was going to open those up, but before I do, I got some purchase with purchase pins that you get for every $30. You can purchase one of these. And there's Minnie Mouse. Stitch. That's really cute. And another Donald Duck. So cute. I love these pins. They're so nice. Alright. Time to open up the important ones. Okay. So, let me see. I'm hoping I'll get Lady, or either one of the Siamese kitties, or Tramp. Like I said, I'll be happy with any of them. Oops. Came flying out. Ooh! Got a Siamese kitty. Oh, I love it. So awesome.
He probably knows what it's going to happen. He probably rigged it.
I got a Tramp. I'm going to get it out of the plastic. So cool. So awesome. This is going to make me want to buy more of these. Let's see. I'm not sure which one that is. That's one of the guys that's singing the accordion, and oh, they're eating spaghetti. Okay, here's my last pin. And I got Jock. Oh, I think those two fit together. So cool. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.